Hey everybody, Dan Rubino here at WindowsCentral.com, and I'm here with the Microsoft Surface Laptop 50th Anniversary Edition. So you can see there on this special box. Rumor has it they only made around 50 of these, and no, you can't buy it, unfortunately. Although some people have said you can go on eBay and find some there. Unfortunately, I think you'll be paying a high premium. We do have a little welcome card here as well, so I'll just quickly open this up to see what it says. And there we go. It says, as we celebrate Microsoft's 50th anniversary, we want to thank you for making Surface part of your story. Our fans inspired us to create this exclusive Surface Laptop Copilot Plus PC with unique touches that honor Microsoft's journey. So pretty cool stuff there, and it comes in a little nice Surface envelope. So this is the Snapdragon model, I should mention. This is the Snapdragon X Elite. Let's take it out of the package. And we'll just move this packaging out of the way here and take a look at it. It's a 13.8-inch Surface laptop. As you can see, it's got the gold logo on top there, so that's one of the kind of unique twists to it. It does have 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD. And if we open it up, and as you can see, it's already booting, and it has that cool little 50th logo on there, which is really awesome for the boot. So this has a special boot menu. As you can see down here, we have the Microsoft logo, 1975. And so that is the original Microsoft logo. So that is a kind of a cool twist too. Other than that, we have the Surface Connect on the right-hand side, along with, of course, 2 Type-C ports and a USB plus the headphone jack. So other than that, it should be a pretty standard Surface laptop outside of those special twists. I also believe it has a unique wallpaper that matches, so we'll just wait for that. All right, we're back, and I finally booted up and set this up, and yes, it does have a special wallpaper. I know, not a huge deal, but come on. It's a nice little thing that they did here with the black and the gold. So really happy with the Surface Laptop 50th anniversary. Go to WindowsCentral.com. I'll have a more hands-on and better photos and all that kind of stuff and a full write-up on this laptop if you're interested. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.